children, shall we start now our portion? So last class we studied about how the carbohydrates.
Various processes
processes about digestion. Various process in digestion of food in humans.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
in digestion of food.
Okay, okay, fine, good, good. So this one, Nia, can you tell the name of those process? Do you remember the five process which involved in digestion?
Yes, ma'am. Digestion.
Yes.
Absorption.
Okay, absorption. Then
Assimilation.
okay, very good. Assimilation. Then
Digestion.
digestion. And first one,
ma'am, injection.
ingestion. Okay, first one is ingestion. So ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and ingestion. Okay, now we are moving on to going to learn one by one. We are going to see what buccal cavity does, what does food pipe does, and what about the stomach. Clear? So now at present,
Yes,
for your
ma'am.
exam point of view, you have first part you need to study for your exam, that is about function of buccal cavity. So mainly the buccal cavity has got mainly five parts. Buccal cavity itself has a 5 different type of organs. Okay, that is mouth, teeth, salivary gland, tongue, taste buds. So these are the parts of buccal cavity. So buccal cavity consists of 5 parts, that is mouth, teeth, salivary gland, tongue, and taste buds. Okay. So one by one we will see what the mouth does, teeth does, salivary gland does, tongue does, and taste buds. Okay. So already mouth we already told you. What does the duty of the mouth? What does the duty of the mouth? You have learned?
Takes food.
Takes food. Yeah. So that means you're going to see this dark black in color. This is our buccal cavity. The thing which is inside just like a pipe, that is esophagus. So we already discussed about this dark black in color. So this itself consists of, we told, mouth, tongue, taste buds, teeth, and salivary gland. So all these contain in buccal cavity. Now we will see what I one by one function of that. So mouth takes the food. That means ingestion does by the mouth. Ingestion does by the mouth. So food is taken through mouth. Then what does the next part? Once ingestion taking place, what does the teeth does? Teeth chew the food and break into small pieces. So that is a function of the teeth. The teeth will chew the food, break into pieces, grind it, powder it, crush it, bite it, pierce it, tear it. All this will be done by teeth. Teeth does a lot of things. Biting, chewing, grinding, crushing, piercing, and tearing. So the teeth duties are various. That is biting, chewing. This is the function of the teeth. Teeth, chewing, biting, then crushing. Sometimes you will get toffee. You get peanuts and peanut. Yeah, peanut, crushing, grinding.
Tearing.
Thing is piercing. Suppose you get some, those are having the grilled chicken. You have to tear it and pierce first. After our teeth will pierce that bit of fried chicken and then tear it. And then biting and biting we does first. We first bite it, then we pierce it, tear it, then crush it, chew it, and grind it. So these are the things. Okay, these are the things done by the teeth. Biting, crushing, piercing, chewing, grinding, tearing. So let us now see which are the parts of the teeth does all this. Shall I change it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, not completed.
Not completed. Okay. So the function of the teeth is the mouth does only ingestion. It takes food. That is the duty of mouth. Now, making into small particles by teeth. So first we'll complete the teeth, then we come back to tongue. Yes, let us now see what's a part of the teeth does all this work. So this is the structure of our teeth. We have two type of teeth, two parts of teeth. One is lower jaw. Another one is upper jaw. So now I am showing only lower jaw here. So lower jaw, we have got how many teeth? Any idea what is the total number of
Yes,
teeth?
ma'am.
What is that?
Ma'am, 16.
So total how
teeth.
much? Total
32.
32.
Total 32 divided by
Yes.
2.
So lower jaw 60,
Ma'am, so 32
upper
divided
jaw
by
60. Okay. So lower
Yes,
jaw,
ma'am.
upper jaw, both are having
Yes, ma'am.
equal number and they
Ma'am,
equally
16
placed.
teeth.
Yes. And we
Ma'am,
have a
16 teeth, right?
yes. We have mainly 16 teeth on lower jaw, another 16 teeth on upper jaw. Both are same. Lower jaw and upper jaw have the same number of teeth and same type of the teeth. So first teeth, what we go on to the incisor. So the first teeth, what you see when you smile and all, which teeth you will show? The first teeth, that is
Ma'am,
incisor.
incisor.
Yes. When you do. If you laugh loudly, all the 32 teeth can be seen. Okay. You should single smile.
Okay,
Just like see, Devika smiles beautifully. Only 4 teeth can be seen. That is Devika's incisors. Okay, Devika. If I smile, all my teeth will see. All my 16 teeth. Some will smile, all teeth will come. Sabha showing all the 32 teeth. Okay. It's up to you. But some of them, those smile, they will see only 4 teeth. And some people who is having chocolate, when you smile it, did you see the teeth on there?
Yes,
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am.
You will see the teeth, but it is broken pieces, no? Bad teeth. Okay,
Yes.
those are having chocolates,
Yes, ma'am.
maybe different color, brownish color, blackish color, all that clear. Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
we have total incisors. Lower jaw, you have 4 incisors. Similarly, upper jaw also you have 4 incisors. Clear? So the first 4 teeth, what I
Yes, ma'am.
rounded, that is incisor. What is the duty of incisor? Biting
Ma'am,
and chewing. Yes. Crushing is done by
Ma'am,
other
so
one.
piercing.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
so the piercing.
Piercing, we come to the next set of things. Biting and chewing. That is done by our incisors. Okay.
Ma'am, when we are tearing, we would be taking our incisors, right?
Yeah, we are taking the food by incisors, but we are tearing. You will be using the other set of one, what you call the one canine. Okay.
Oh.
So
Okay,
second
ma'am.
one is
Ma'am, the
canine.
pointy teeth.
Yes, canine. You have only 2 canines. Okay. So next one is canine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, it is consist of teeth. We want that.
it's a part of teeth.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, but you write it down because this is in your book. There is a table for you to complete it. Okay. So if you write it down this point, you can complete that table. That is on page number. That's you do as a homework. You can write it in your textbook itself. Okay.
What is the
So,
page number?
page number, let me tell you.
Ma'am, 13.
Page number 13. And also table 2.1, page number 11. That also you have to do it. Okay. Next class, I'll ask you to read that. Okay. Table 2.1, various modes of feeding. That is, you have to tell me that snail and eagle. Search the internet and all. You can find out what type of feeding they do. Whether they by beak, whether they by mouth, whether they by, cheeks and all. Check it. You have to tell me what type of food, whether it's a plant or insect or
Ma'am,
animal.
Ma'am,
Mode
so the
of
next
feeding.
class.
Next class. When you come to the next class. Then mode of feeding. How do they feed? Okay. Down
Ma'am,
there
which
is a word.
table are you talking about?
Down there is a words are given. Scraping, chewing,
Excuse me, ma'am.
siphoning, capturing, swallowing, sponging, sucking. So these are the words you should write. Page number 11. Page number 11, table 2.1. In
Oh.
that, you have a set of animals' name is given. You have to
Ma'am,
write
snail, ant, eagle, hummingbird, lice,
all that,
mosquito,
all that. Then
butterfly,
kind of
house.
food. Kind of food. Suppose they are having insect, you should write insect. Whether nectar, you should write nectar. And mode of feeding, you will get the words which is down. Have you seen? The down
Ma'am,
some
no,
words
ma'am.
are given.
Ma'am, down
Scraping.
only 7 words are there. Ma'am,
Yeah.
in the table there are 9 animals.
That's okay. Maybe some animals have doing the same way of feeding. Okay. Okay. So these are the different words we uses. That is
Okay.
scraping, chewing. Siphoning means pulling, just like a straw. You drink the juice by using straw. That is known as siphoning. Okay. Capturing means snake and all, they capture the prey. That's the word. Swallowing, just swallow it. Without making into pieces, they swallow. Then sponging. Sponging means sucking, like they just sit
Ma'am,
on
like
it and all.
ma'am, sucking is for the
Sometimes,
butterfly
yeah.
who takes the juice
Butterflies,
from the
some
flowers.
mosquitoes and will do. Yeah.
And leeches.
Ah, yes, yes. All that. Clear? So you
Ma'am, what is siphoning?
siphoning. Siphoning means you are
Siphoning.
drinking juice using straw. That way of drinking. No? Siphoning.
Ma'am, like
അതായത്,
mosquito?
mosquito, yeah, maybe pulling the juice out of it, not
Ma'am,
sucking.
like in the top, mosquito have a like a straw.
Yes, they
like
have
structure.
got one small bigger needle like structure, and they suck the blood or they siphon it. Okay, like some of the birds, they have a long beak. So what they do, they just pull out the nectar from this. So that is a siphoning. Clear? Clear.
Yes.
So you can go through internet if you want to see exactly hummingbird and how they look like.
Ma'am,
And
also
all.
hummingbird also have a like needle.
Long beak they have. Okay. So 13. So that you find out now. Now 13th is the one you have to buy from this class what you get it. Or using that, you should fill that. Clear? So that's it, the part of it. So what did I tell you? Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
So
we were talking about
Canine.
the teeth.
Yeah.
Canine.
Incisor, biting, not chewing. Biting and cutting. Not chewing. That is another one. You can just correct it. Biting and cutting. That is the one does by incisors.
Ma'am, which is
Canine.
cutting for?
Cutting. Food cut into pieces.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is incisor the teeth with which we bite the apple?
Yes. First you bite apple, correct? And afterwards, what you do? You will chew, grind all that. Okay. And children, sometimes it is very difficult for us to find out whether you are chewing, whether you're grinding, because all this happening in simultaneously. When you take a food, you do all the work, but all teeth is together doing the work. That is why sometimes, but you just think about it. Like a non-veg and very hard items, usually we uses some of the teeth which is above that. Clear? That's why the name is given
Ma'am,
to
like
you.
molar.
Molar. Okay. So that's how. Oh. Yes. So canine is piercing and tearing. That is the function of canine. So we have how many canine? 2. And upper jaw 2. So total
2 in the
plus
upper
2.
jaw and 2 in the lower jaw.
So you write 8. Here it's become 4. So let us see whether we have all 32. That's I'm counting. So canine we have only 1, 2. So 2 on the lower jaw. Similarly, 2 on the upper jaw.
Ma'am, canine is dog-like teeth, right?
Yeah, it is little bit sharp, long one. After incisor, use a long type one. This side. Okay, this side. Next
Yes,
one.
Ma'am, it is something that is very sharp.
Yes. Next one, we have premolar. Molar you have. So before that, there is a premolar. So premolar, we have 2. 2 and 2, total 4.
Ma'am, like 4
lower
plus
jaw.
4, like
Yes.
incisors.
Yes, like incisor 4 plus 4, you will get 8. Okay.
Ma'am,
And the
8
use
is a
of
total.
this is also chewing. Premolar does chewing the food.
Ma'am, only chewing.
Chewing, sometimes it
Ma'am, grinding is done by premolar.
molar. Usually we does by molar. So next, fourth one, we have molar. Molar also we have 3. 3 this side and 3 that side. So total we have 6.
Ma'am, 6 plus 6.
So you will
Ma'am, so
get.
total 12.
So now when you add all this, are you getting 32 teeth now?
Yes.
8 plus 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 12, you will get it.
Ma'am, a molar is grinding and
Chewing, it is also helping chewing, grinding, crushing also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Crushing. Yes,
Excuse me,
crushing
ma'am.
means sometimes some toffee and all. If you want to break it, you keep it this side and crushed it. That's why.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for a child, like not a grown-up child, they will have only one molar teeth, right? Afterwards, only the next 2 molar teeth come.
Yeah, that slowly comes. That is milk teeth. Okay. At
Okay,
a
ma'am.
stretch, you don't get all the teeth. As the child grows, the teeth will come. Okay.
ma'am, only 2 times comes the teeth. After that, the teeth will not come.
It will not come. So I am telling that first you will get incisor first. The babies will get 2 incisors, upper 2, down 2. Then slowly as they grow, other teeth will come out. Then by this age, when you come to the 7th and 8th standard, if you are a normal student, your all the milk teeth will go and naturally the other teeth, permanent teeth will come. So all the babies who having a milk teeth, because they are very tender, you cannot give them a hard food. You know that what the mother feeds them. When for small kids, they will feed them some liquid food.
Yes,
After
ma'am.
when they grow by 5 years old, they will make the rice and make one bowl, and they themselves will grind and put them in the mouth,
Yes,
because they are very
The
tender.
mothers give only soft foods.
Soft food. By 3 years, by you become 5 years and 6 years, then slowly mother starts giving you little hard food. Clear?
I mean,
So that's it.
that thing, humans are very unlucky because crocodiles and all, they'll grow their teeth about 100 times in their life.
Yeah, but their food is different. What they eat, the crocodile all are eating the other animals. We human
Yes.
beings also eat animals, but we don't eat as a whole. We cut into small pieces and we will eat. That's the difference. Okay. Crocodile and can swallow the one human being at a stretch. Okay. And snakes also. Some of the anacondas. Not the
Ma'am,
small
like
snakes.
python.
Anaconda is a big
Like
snake.
small snakes cannot swallow it, but they can swallow rats and frogs and all. But anaconda and all the biggest snake. Okay, they can swallow the people, 5 people at a time. So when they swallow, once they finish those 5 people, they don't eat again. They will remain for months without eating until all this they get digested. Then only they started chasing the prey again. That is the difference between animals and human beings. We human beings eat every day, correct?
Yes.
Animals, tiger.
Yes, ma'am.
Even you don't want it also, you going on eating.
Yes, that's right, ma'am.
Ma'am, a normal human will feel hungry 4 hours after eating one meal.
This is the reason why doctors and nurses are most wanted in our society, correct? Okay, why we should have medicine? Do you think dogs have medical shop to go and buy the medical when they get stomach pain? No.
No, ma'am.
They
No,
just
ma'am.
go and eat some grass and they go for their business. Leopard, tiger, everything like that. Okay, but we human beings every day eating. Even you don't want also, you eat. Okay. You see leopard and animal, they're very nice to see. National Geographic channel, if you see it, but instead of looking into other YouTube and all, go and watch some kind of National Geographic channel.
Craze towards wild animals, we always keep that channel.
Yes. And you see leopards and all, once they eat prey, they don't hunt for another prey. until they finish their everything. Again, when they feel like this thing, what you call, they feel hunger after 2 days, 3 days. Then only again they go on chase the deer. Okay, not like us every day chasing chicken and mutton and all. Okay, so that's a good thing they do. All birds also like that. Everyone is like that. They every do daily business. Whatever they need, they accumulate. But we people accumulate things, correct? For my children, my grandchildren, and great great grandchildren, going on accumulating. Okay, so part of beautiful things to see. Nature, if you observe the nature, you will learn so many things from that. Okay, dear? So that's about the, I
Yes,
think we
ma'am.
have come to the end of the function of the teeth. So see, so beautiful to see ourselves, no? To see
Yes.
what other things are happening in our body. Huh? You are living, but so many things are happening at a time. These all things are happening in a fraction of time. Suppose you get a toffee, you do all this work at a stretch. Okay, that is the function of teeth. Can I change it, dear?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes.
Here on.
Okay, fine. So we completed the parts of the teeth, function of the teeth. Now next we move on to the tongue. So what does tongue? Once the teeth does his did his its work. Okay, all teeth did their work. What they do? The tongue is the next person is doing the next function. After grinding, piercing, tearing, all that, afterwards, the next function done by our tongue. Okay, what's the function of the tongue? Tongue mixes saliva. So here is the function of salivary gland together. There are two parts are working together. Salivary glands plus tongue. These are the two parts working together in order to make it. So teeth has complete the work, mouth has complete the work. The next work done by both salivary glands and tongue. So salivary gland produce a digestive juice. That's our saliva. You know that if you don't have saliva in your mouth, you know that you cannot eat anything. So first you go and drink the water first. Then only you will have the food. Correct? So saliva, tongue mixes saliva with the food during chewing and helps in swallowing. So once the teeth was grinding and chewing, everything is done. The saliva helps to take that food, mixes, the tongue will, with the help of saliva, the tongue will mix all this. Just how you eat rice and curry. You put the curry in the rice and you make it a mixture. So similarly, the saliva, mix it with this grinder food and it will allow us to swallow it. So that is the function of saliva. So by this, the buccal cavity function is completed. And what is the taste bud? Taste buds have nothing more. It is only give you taste. Whether your food is sour, food is spicy, whether food is sweet. Yeah. So 10 taste buds detect different taste of food. Only that does the taste buds do. Taste buds nothing else. It only just give us the ability to find out whether it's a sour,
The food
whether
is
it's
spicy
spicy
or
or sweet, hot, whether it's hot, whether it's cold, how it is, whether mother cooked proper good food or bad food, all this you can make it out. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I've read somewhere that a human can, recognize 5 different tastes: spicy, sour, then salty, sweet, and umami.
Yes, that's it. That is our 5 sense organs. Okay. And what is the need of the taste buds? The reason is that if you get a fever or something, that you can diagnose that you are not keeping well. Why? Whatever you eat the food, you don't feel like taste, no taste
Yes,
at all.
ma'am, it is very
Usually
bad
it
taste.
happens. Yeah, it's not uncomfortable. You don't feel like eating. You don't feel like drinking something. The reason is that some problem with you. with your body. So that is the thing, fever and all, you know, your mouth become bitter, like you feel dry sometimes. Okay. So this is some signs that there is some problem with you. So those who are got corona, I don't know, one of you must have got corona. They must have experienced that thing. Yeah, you experience, no? There is no taste for your food. No, Steve?
And smell, yes, ma'am. No smell
No
also.
smell, no smell, no
And
taste.
tired.
anything. You feel tired.
Yes.
Yes, because you lost that appetite. Your hunger is gone because of that virus has attacked your lungs. There is no proper blood circulation, no proper digestion. So like 1 month, 2 months, the people, those who have corona, some people may not able to get a taste or smell back. Sometimes it's not corona. You get a cold also, same thing happen, cold and fever. Okay, dear?
Ma'am, but most of the people don't feel like that.
Most of the
Like
people
fever.
depends upon your immune system. How strong are you? Correct?
Yes.
Because everyone body
And
system
good
is different.
immunity.
Okay, dear. Time
Okay,
up
ma'am.
now.
Yes.
We're feeling hungry. Let us now wind up the session. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.